Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the engine of the Dhamma Yachts SV22. In this video, we will cover everything from tools to necessary steps to ensure a successful engine swap. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. 1. Socket wrench set, including 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm sockets. 2. Torque wrench. 3. Screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips. 4. Pliers. 5. Engine hoist. 6. Safety goggles and gloves for protection. Start by securing your yacht in a safe location. Ensure that the battery is disconnected to avoid any electrical issues during the process. Next, remove the engine cover using the appropriate screwdriver. Be cautious, as some screws can be quite tight. Now, it's time to remove the engine mounts. You'll find 4 bolts securing the engine to the mounts. Use your socket wrench to carefully unscrew them. Keep these bolts in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the engine is free, connect your engine hoist to the lifting points. Make sure to double-check the configuration for safety. If you're unsure about any steps, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can guide you through this process. As you lift the engine out, ensure that all cables and hoses are disconnected. Pay close attention to the fuel lines and electrical connections, you don't want to damage them. It might be a good idea to label each connection for easy reinstallation later. With the old engine removed, take this opportunity to clean the engine compartment thoroughly. A clean workspace can prevent debris from entering the new engine. Use a degreaser to wipe down surfaces and ensure there's no buildup that could cause future problems. Next, prepare the new engine for installation. Before placing it in the compartment, check that all necessary components are included, such as oil filters and any required gaskets. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to assist you. Carefully position the new engine in the compartment. Align it with the engine mounts, ensuring that all connections match your previous setup. Secure the engine with the bolts you saved earlier, using your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reattach all hoses, cables, and electrical connections, referring back to your labels if needed. It's crucial to make sure everything is securely connected to prevent any malfunctions. Once everything is in place, reconnect the battery. Before you start the engine, check for any leaks around the fuel lines and ensure that all components are functioning correctly. Finally, turn the key and start your new engine. Listen for any unusual noises and monitor the engine's behavior. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We provide quotes before repair to ensure you know what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the engine on your Dhamma Yachts SV22. Remember, maintenance is key to ensuring a smooth sailing experience. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us. Happy boating! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.